Morning all.
Morning, sir.
Today we will have a topic related to mathematics. It is mensuration. That is topic related to surface area and volume of different shapes. Mensuration is our topic. We have different shapes: cuboid, cube, cylinder, cone, or you can say that right circular cone. Right circular cone. Then sphere, then hemisphere, then another shape is frustum of a cone. These are the different solid shapes: cuboid, cube, cylinder, cone, sphere, hemisphere, frustum of a cone. These are the solid shapes. Solid shapes. That means in 3D, in three-dimensional view, we can think about cuboid, cube, cylinder, cone, sphere, hemisphere, and frustum of a cone. You know the different shapes and then corresponding volume, curved surface area. Sometime we will call it as lateral surface area, then total surface area. First of all, we will consider the shape of a cuboid. Cuboid look like a rectangle.
सर
हाँ बोलिए.
कौन सा टॉपिक पढ़ा रहे हैं आज?
Mensuration.
सर अपना प्रोबेबिलिटी रह गया था थोड़ा.
Probability.
हाँ सर,
Probability.
कार्ड्स का बच गया था सर.
इसके बारे में रह गया था.
कार्ड्स का रह गया था.
Next day, tomorrow I will complete probability.
ओके सर.
सर ऊपर थोड़ा लीजिए ना, स्लाइड कंप्लीट करना है.
Okay.
2 मिनट से.
Okay.
सर हो गया, थैंक यू.
Sir, I had a query, sir. Excuse me, sir.
बोलिए.
So,
बोलो.
frustum of a cone. No, so the shape frustum of a cone is deleted from the NCRT this year. So, is it coming in the SPI or not?
If it is deleted from NCRT, then we can, because in the syllabus of SPI, the general topic only given.
Yes, sir. Since last 2 years, the frustum is deleted from the NCRT since 2022.
Then we can delete, no problem. We will not discuss frustum. Remaining shapes we can discuss.
Yes, sir.
सर
Okay, बोलिए.
but frustum is in a state board.
State board in state board there is frustum is there.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
No, we will discuss. No problem.
सर ऑल ओवर डिस्कस कीजिए.
Okay. देखो, first thing is cuboid. Cuboid, it look like a triangle like this, but it will be a three-dimensional shape. So it will have length, breadth, height. Length, breadth, height. So in a cuboid, there are 6 surfaces. So we have 3 quantities. One is total surface area. Second one is in cuboid and cube, we will call it as lateral surface area. When we come to cone and cylinder, we will call it as curved surface area. So then another thing is volume. Total surface area, lateral surface area, and volume. Total surface area means we have this side, this side, this side. Similarly, there are similar just opposite to these mentioned sides, there are another 3 sides. So if you take the area of this, it can be length into height. If you take area of this mentioned area, this will be breadth into height. If you take this area, it will be length into breadth. So length into breadth, length into height, and length into and breadth into height. These are the 3 areas, and for each cases there are an opposite side also. So total surface area can be represented as 2 times LB, 2 times LH, 2 times BH. So 2 into LB plus LH plus BH. This is the total surface area. So lateral surface area means when we if we keep that cuboid in our hand, and if we are seeing the cuboid horizontally in a straight way, so the upper and bottom portion we will not be able to visible. So only the sides we will be able to visible. So that area corresponding to the lateral surface area. So lateral surface area means the area. This is the cuboid. So area corresponding to lateral means this will be okay. This is one area, and this will be another area, and corresponding to these two, 1, 2, they're at the opposite side also considered as lateral surface. But we will not consider this portion and the bottom portion. We are not bothered about that. That will be included in the total surface area. Only this portion and the opposite side of that only will be considered as the lateral surface area. So this will be length, breadth, height. So lateral surface area means 2 times L H, 2 times LH. This the area, because this is height. So this is L into H. 2 times LH plus 2 times BH. This will be BH and this will be LH. So 2 times LH and 2 times BH. So 2 into LH plus BH. So this is considered as lateral surface area. Then what is the volume? Volume will be length into breadth into height. Volume will be equal to length into breadth into height. So these are the 3 important formulas related to a cuboid. Total surface area 2 into LB plus LH plus BH. Lateral surface area 2 into LH plus BH, and volume is equal to L into breadth into height. Length into breadth into height. So this is cuboid. So Another thing is a special case of cuboid. Cuboid means length and breadth, height, all are different. For example, it may be different in the case of a cuboid. If length, breadth, height, all are equal, we will consider it as a cube. Example of a die. Die is a cube. Length, breadth, height, all are same. So for example, if we call a all length, this is also L, this is also L, this is also L, means length is equal to breadth is equal to height, means we will consider a single value for 3. Length is also L, breadth is also L, height is also L. So what will be the total surface area? Total surface area will be 2 into LB plus LH plus BH. This can be considered as 2 into L square plus L square plus L square, because L equal to B equal to H. So this can be considered as 2 into 3L square, 2 into 3L square. So 2 into 3, 6L square is the total surface area. What is lateral surface area? Lateral surface area is equal to 2 into LH plus BH. So this can be considered as 2 into L square plus L square. It will be 2 into 2 L square, that is 4L square. Volume is equal to length into breadth into height, which is equal to L into L into L. It will be L cube. This is the consider. So this is a special case of cuboid. Cube means it is a special case of cuboid. Cuboid, we are considering L is different, length is different, breadth is different, height is different. In that sense, we are considering cuboid. If length is equal to breadth is equal to height, we will consider it as a cube. Then third shape, that is cylinder.
Sir, can you show above one little bit? Slide, above slide. Huh. Thank you.
So here, total surface area 6L square. Lateral surface area 4L square. Volume L cube.
Sir, completed. Thank you.
Okay. Cylinder. Cylinder look like this. There is one base. In cylinder, the top and bottom equal radius. Top and bottom equal radius. For example, radius can be considered as R. So bottom portion, top portion, that area, the circular area is same. That means radius is same. And there is a height for the cylinder, H. So here total surface area means we have to consider this portion, and the bottom portion. That is the total surface area. Top, if the radius is R, the area will be pi R square. So bottom, if the radius is R, the area is pi R square. Then the area of the lateral surface. Here we will not call it as lateral, we will call it as curved surface area. Curved surface area. In cylinder, sphere, or in cone, in such cases, we will consider not lateral surface area, we will call it as curved surface area, CSA. CSA, TSA, and volume. So curved surface area is actually equal to 2 pi R into H. 2 pi R into H. That explanation, if required, I will give you. Otherwise, we will simply mention the formula. Required?
No, sir.
No. So 2 pi RH is the curved surface area. That is the area belongs to this. 2 pi RH. So what is the total surface area? Total surface area is equal to curved surface area plus area of the bottom pi R square and area of the top pi R square. So 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R square, which is equal to 2 pi R into R plus H. So this is the total surface area of the cylinder TSA. Volume is equal to, volume of the cylinder is equal to pi R square H. Volume of the cylinder is equal to pi R square H. So these are the important formula. One is curved surface area, 2 pi RH. Total surface area is 2 pi R into R plus H, and volume is equal to pi R square H. So these are the important formula related to a cylinder. Can I go forward?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Then we will consider the fourth one, that is cone. They will always mention right circular cone. Right circular cone. That means the cylinder cone should not be like this. This is not right circular cone. A right circular cone look like this. The center of the bottom or base portion and this vertex will be in a same line, in a perpendicular way. This will be always 90 degree. The angle between the axis part and the radius will be in 90. This is known as a right circular cone. Here also radius is there, base radius, and this is height of the cone, and this is known as slant height. L equal to slant height. L equal to slant height. Here, what is slant height? Because here right circular cone, you can apply the concept of Pythagoras theorem. So H square plus R square equal to L square is an important formula here. Sometimes they may give height and radius, they have to calculate length, slant height. So L square is equal to H square plus R square, and L is equal to root of H square plus, sorry, this is R square. H square plus R square is equal to L square. Here also we have to discuss three parameters. One is curved surface area. Second one is total surface area. And third one is volume. Curved surface area is equal to pi RL, where R represents the base radius and L represents the slant height. Total surface area means we have to consider both this bottom surface area and this curved surface area. So total surface area becomes curved surface area plus base area, that is pi RL plus pi R square. Or you can write pi R into L plus R. Pi R into L plus R. Volume will be 1/3 of the volume of the cylinder. 1/3 pi R square H. So these are the important formula related to a cone, that is curved surface area. Curved surface area, that is pi RL. Total surface area is pi R into L plus R, and volume is equal to 1/3 pi R square H. So these are the important, and this concept is also important. Slant height is equal to root of height square plus radius square. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then for fifth one, sphere. Sphere look like this. Look like a ball. We have to imagine in 3D manner. Here also one radius. It look like Earth. Earth is a sphere. So there is radius. Then here curved surface area and total surface area both are same. Curved surface area and total surface area both are same. For a case of sphere, not hemisphere, total surface area and curved surface area both are equal only. That is equal to 4 times area of a circle. 4 times area of a circle. Area of the circle is pi r square. So 4 times area of the circle, that is 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. Then volume. Volume will be equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. These are the important two formulas related to a sphere. Total surface area, curved surface area both are same. Here 4 pi r square is the area of the sphere, total surface area, that is 4 into area of a circle, and volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is sphere. If you take the half of this, cut into 2 pieces, so you will be getting a hemisphere. Hemisphere. So it will look like this. It will look like this, and this is our base area. And our radius is this one, r. But this is also r, and this is also r. So here, curved surface area means the area of this portion, curved surface area. Total surface area means the area of the base plus curved surface area. So total area of a sphere is 4 into pi r square. Hemisphere means उसका आधा है, but so curved surface area is equal to, it will be the half of the total sphere. That means 2 pi r square. In sphere, it is 4 pi r square. Here, the curved surface area is 2 pi r square. 2 into area of a circle. So, then, total surface area will be equal to curved surface area plus base area. Curved surface area is 2 pi r square and base area is pi r square. So the answer will be 3 pi r square. The total surface area is 3 pi r square. Volume. Volume just half of the volume of a sphere. So it is 4 by 3 pi r cube for a sphere. And then the volume of a hemisphere will be 2 by 3 pi r cube. Just half of that. So volume will be 2 by 3 pi r cube. So these are the formula related to hemisphere. Curved surface area is 2 pi r square. Total surface area is 3 pi r square. And volume is 2 by 3 pi r. Then the last one, 7th one, that is frustum of a cone. Simply by heart this equation. Frustum of a cone means we have a cone. We have a cone. Take a knife and cut into piece. Cut like this. That means you will get a circular area here. Cut into two means the top part will be another cone and bottom part will be another shape. So that shape can be considered like this. Like a balti. पानी लेने के लिए बाल्टी यूज करते हैं ना, ऐसा है. So this is the top portion. This is the bottom portion. Top radius can be considered as R1 and bottom radius can be considered as R2. Height of the frustum is considered as H and slant height is considered as small l. So R1, R2 are the bigger circular portion is R1, whose radius is R1, and smaller portion, that is means top portion is R1 and bottom portion is R2. and height of the cylinder is height of the frustum is h and slant height is L. Then another thing, important formula you have to understand. So if you take like this is a frustum. So here, if this line is, this slant height is made like this, if we are shifting this into in this way, so it will look like this. So this total radius is R1, and how much we shifted? R2 portion. So we will get this area, this length. So we are getting a triangle like this because we are shifting that edge into a point such that it will touch here. So here you will get, if the total is R1, the total is R1 and this portion is R2, then it will become R1 minus R2. And this height is H. This is slant height. So here the formula is H square plus base क्या है? R1 minus R2 the whole square is equal to L square by the application of Pythagoras theorem. So H square plus R1 minus R2 the whole square is equal to L square. This is a formula we will get use. So L can be written as H square plus R1 minus R2 the whole square. This is an important formula related to a frustum of a cone. Then here what we have to consider, curved surface area. Curved surface area will be equal to, just by heart.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Okay.
I didn't get this, sir. Can you explain this once again?
This one. This formula.
Yes, sir. The
Okay, I will
yes,
tell
sir.
you.
The triangle which you have made.
Okay, 1 minute. This is R1. This is R2. Make a parallel line to this. This line can be shifted to such that it will become this is the slant height. So this can be shifted to this side so that if we move little bit, it will become like this. If you move little bit, it will become like this. So
Okay,
when
sir, I get this, sir.
then it will become like this. Understood? So how much you shifted?
Yes, sir,
R2.
I got this.
So that is why this portion is R2 and the total portion is R1. So this portion will become R1 minus R2. So you are getting a triangle like this. Triangle like this. So this portion will be R1 minus R2. Understood? So H square plus
Yes, sir.
R1 minus
Thank you.
R2 the whole square is equal to L square. That's another formula. Then curved surface area is equal to pi into L into R1 plus R2. This is the curved surface area, pi into L into R1 plus R2. For a normal cone, the curved surface area is pi RL. For a normal cone, the curved surface area is pi RL. Here the formula is pi L into R1 plus R2. Pi L into R1 plus R2. Then total surface area will be, so this is the curved surface area. Total surface area will be pi R1 square, that is top portion. Bottom square is pi R2 square, and curved surface area is pi L into R1 plus R2. Just add bottom portion and top portion plus curved surface area. You will be getting. And volume will be is equal to 1 by 3 into pi. For a cone, volume is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Here you have to write volume is equal to 1 by 3 into pi h. Instead of r square, you have to write r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 r2. Instead of r square, you write 1 by 3 into pi h. Instead of r square, write r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 r2. So this is the formula for frustum. Curved surface area is pi l into r1 plus r2. Total surface area is bottom area plus top area plus pi l into r1 plus r2, and volume is equal to 1 by 3 into pi h into r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 r2. Understood? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Then we will do some problems.
Sir,
Okay. बोलो.
हमें प्लेन सरफेस की प्रॉपर्टी और उनके एरिया भी मालूम करने होंगे ना?
Huh? Then only if the questions comes, then you will be able to interpret what actually they meant to ask. Okay.
Such like properties of the property and area of the square and
Just you no need to get the theory part. Just to know the formula.
okay, sir.
If some cases, if they will not mention L, they will give the height and base radius and top radius. So by using this formula, you should be able to get this land height. If you are aware of this formula, no problem. Otherwise, you should be able to get the formula from the shape. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Do some problems, so it will be automatically, it will come. No problem, no issues. Then what is the question? 2a by 3, 148. 1, 2. Third one. Okay. The question. The diameter of the base of a circular cone is equal to 6 centimeter. Diameter of the base of a circular cone. A cone is given here. Base of the circular, the diameter of the base of the circular cone is equal to 6 centimeter. That means diameter is given. And its slant height is 5. Slant height 5. That means L is given and diameter D is given. Find the area of the axial section of the cone. Find the area of the axial section of the cone. So here axial section means imagine a right circular cone like this. Take a knife and cut into 2 pieces. Take a cone and along this line or along the axis, take a knife and cut into 2 pieces. So you will be able to see the inner area. Inner area means inner surface. That look like a triangle. That means that look like a triangle. Triangle means it will come like this. We cut into 2 pieces means we will get a shape like this. Understood? I will try to. देखो ऐसा है, आपने कट किया means you are like this. Remaining this portion is removed because you used a knife and cut into 2 pieces. So you will be able to see this area only. This area. Here, this area. This triangle part. That is the axial section. That is the axial section of the cone. Axial section means that portion. No need to consider the base portion. So actually, if a cone base area, base is like this, it is cut into two, means only this remaining portion will be there. So if you imagine in a 3D manner, it will look like this. Because half of the portion is cut. It will look like this. So axial section means the area of this triangular portion. Area of this triangular portion. So what is the area of this triangular portion? You know that the slant height is 5 and the total radius diameter is 6. So the radius will be 3 centimeter. So you can able to calculate the height of the axial section or the height of the cone. So this is actually a Pythagorean triplet. This is actually a Pythagorean triplet. Therefore, this side will be 4. Or you can write 5 square minus 3 square. That is 25 minus 9. You will be getting 16. And 16, root of 16 is actually 4. So height you are getting equal to 4. So axial section means that is a triangle. So triangle, what is the area of the triangle? Half into base into height. So half into what is base? Base means the entire this portion. Entire this portion is the base of the axial section. That is that is equal to the diameter. What is height? The height of the triangle is the height of the cone. So half into base into height. So half into 6 into 4. So answer will be 12.
12.
12 square centimeter. So you should be able to, the question is simple, but you should be able to identify what is axial section of the cone. What is axial section of the cone? That is the important concept required here. You know curved surface area of the cone, you know total surface area of the cone, you know how to calculate the volume of the cone. Okay, everything is fine. But if they are mentioning axial section of the cone, means you should be able to understand that the cone is cut into two equal halves and the inner portion is, we are taken that part look like a triangle, that is equal to that area is equal to the area of that particular triangle. So we have to use the formula of normal area of a 2D figure, that is area of the triangle is half into base into height. So half into base is entire diameter 6 into and height is 4. So you are getting 12. Then another question. Related to cone. The radius of a cone is a centimeter. आपके पास एक कोन है, radius is given as a centimeter, and its height is given as twice the radius. Height is given as twice the radius, means h is equal to 2a. H equal to 2a. The radius of the cone is a centimeter and its height is twice the radius. If the cone is converted into the shape of a cylinder of same radius, this is a solid cone. For example, by taking some wax, you are making a cone. By taking a wax, make that wax into a shape of cone. So whose radius is a centimeter and height is given as twice the radius, so h is equal to 2a. If this is converted into a cylinder of same radius, so what is the height of the cylinder in centimeter or in terms of a? So we have a cone.
Sir, we have to convert
we have
it.
to,
We have to
volume
take out its. We have to take out its volume and
wax
put it
remains
into
same, है ना?
a cylinder's
Sir,
volume.
sir,
हाँ,
हमें we have to do volume of cone equals to volume of cylinder.
हाँ,
फिर
that is correct.
volume put फिर substitute value अगर हम substitute करें तो फिर height आ जाएगी cylinder की.
सही है. So volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. So here 1 by 3 pi into r is actually a square into h is, it is given as 2 times radius 2a. That is the volume of cone. If it is converted into a cylinder of same radius a, then this is the height of the cylinder. So volume of the cylinder will become pi r square h. Here both radius are same, so pi into a square into h. Total wax remains the same, so the concept is total volume remains the same, so we have to equate these two. So we will be
Sir,
equating
H
these
is
two.
equal to 1 by 3.
It is equal to 2a by 3. Pi a square h is equal to
Yes, sir.
1 by 3 pi into a square into 2a. Here pi cut, a square cut. So h is equal to 2 by 3a. Understood?
Sir, I had a query that, sir, in mensuration, the the level of the questions would be like this only, or it would be higher than this.
Oh, this is the level.
Okay, sir. No problem. I
So
thought it just for practice and stuff, a little bit easy than that.
they are checking the basic concept of volume, whether this is a simple question only. Just equate the two volume and you will be getting the answer. It is not that too
Uh,
depth.
yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then another we will do some question uh, related to sphere. The radius of a sphere is you have to calculate. Surface area is given as, total surface area is given as 5544 square centimeter. So total surface area is actually equal to 4 times pi r square, which is equal to 5544. So just equate these two, though you will be getting the answer. 4 pi r square is the area of the sphere. So that can be equated to like this. And which one? So r square is equal to 5544 divided by 4. Pi is 22 by 7. So if you calculate this, you will be getting the answer 441. So r will be equal to 21. Just simple question. Sphere, area of sphere, you have to calculate the radius. Okay. Another question related to cone and let go. A toy. A toy is in the shape of a cone surmounted by hemisphere. A toy, आपके पास एक toy है that is in the shape of a in the cone surmounted by hemisphere. That means it looked like this. A cone is in the shape of a cone. बोलिए.
Sir, for
Hello.
mathematics, can we refer to RD server? It's hot question.
Hello. बोलिए.
Yes, sir. Very awesome. Sir, for mathematics, could we refer to RD Sharma? It's a hot question. I want to think.
I didn't get you.
सर क्वेश्चंस कहाँ से आ
So, can we
सकते हैं
practice this?
मेनली फ्रॉम
Sir,
आर डी शर्मा
sir,
और
can we?
एनसीईआरटी?
This is or some SPI sample question paper है, उसमें से मैंने लिया है.
एक्चुअली
देखो
फिर पेपर में मेनली कहाँ से आएंगे, एनसीईआरटी से आएंगे क्या आरडी शर्मा से आएंगे?
एनसीईआरटी बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस है, बट आपका लेवल पे आएगा. Okay. See the question. A toy is in the shape of a cone surmounted by a hemisphere. The height of the toy is actually equal to 7, and the diameter is 6 centimeter. Diameter 6 means total is 6. Total is 6. So their radius will be 3. The question is, what is the slant height of the toy? What is the slant height of the toy? Slant height of the toy means you have to calculate this one. So if it is, this is equal to 3, this is also equal to 3. If the total is given as 3, so this portion will be equal to 3. So what is the remaining portion? That is equal to 7 minus 3, 4. So this is actually equal to 4. So this is 3 and this is 4. Then what is the slant height? 5. Understood?
sir. Yes, sir.
So it's a simple question only, but they are checking your ability to understand the 3D figure. Okay. Then two more questions are there, but our time is in short. So if time permits, then we will continue in the next class. Anyway, tomorrow, the pending topic of probability, that is cards topic, we will consider. Few problems related to our cards. We can do it on tomorrow. If you have any queries in this mensuration part, you can ask me, or you can contact the coordinator, no issues. And if you need some more explanation, I am ready to give. No problem.
Sir,
Boli.
when are we going to study the polygons?
Polygons, after complete, based on some syllabus is scheduled here, based on that we will continue. So sometime I may be coming, or the second teacher may be coming.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.